Good morning. Thoughts. Yes, thoughts are very important. I would like to know if you receive 60,000 persons in a day and all of them or most of them telling you are not good, you are not handsome, you look ugly, you are worth nothing, you cannot do anything in life. If out of the 60,000, more than 80% people tell you something wrong, something bad about you, how will you feel? Certainly you will feel bad. And you will say, why were you ever born? Similarly, we have around 60,000 thoughts erupting every day through our mind. And if most of them are negative, would you like to stay with them? What are they going to do to your body, to your mind, to your soul, and whatever connects with that? So we need to understand that thoughts are a big power, and positive thoughts, good thoughts have a very big impact. And if out of the 60,000 thoughts we are able to convert most of the thoughts into positive thoughts, they are going to help us a lot. Now this is something that people doubt. This is something that people say will not work. Why? Because they do not understand the power of the thought. They simply live life as it flows. Now, this is where thoughts have a lot of impact on anybody's life. People say, why to artificially change thoughts? Yes. Do you really know what kind of thoughts you had when you were born? Do you really know what kind of thoughts you had when you were a small child? How many of your thoughts were negative? Most of the people, or say most of the children, really don't have negative thoughts. So where did you get the negative thoughts from? Either it was from your family or your school or your surroundings or your neighbor. So if you have got the negative thoughts artificially into you, you will have to make an effort to remove them from your mind. And that's going to help. So for this, we need to carefully study our thoughts and change them, improve them, because they matter a lot in our lives. And because of them, we become what we are. And who really wants to become bad? Who really wants to become irrelevant? Who really wants to become, say, good for nothing? Really, no one. So let's continue this series, and if you think it's going to help you, you may like, subscribe and follow and stay tuned. Thank you.